In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a metapixel to your Wix website. This process will help you track activities and engagements on your site, providing valuable data for optimizing your marketing strategies. Let's dive in and get started with these straightforward steps. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, log into your Wix account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. From your dashboard, you should see a list of your available websites. If you manage multiple sites, locate and click on the site you'd like to install the metapixel on. To do this, click on the Select Site option. This should take you to the specific site's management area, where you can control all aspects of your website's settings. Next, focus your attention on the left side menu of the dashboard. Here, you'll find the Marketing option. Clicking on this will open up a new array of marketing tools provided by Wix. It's within these tools that we'll find the features related to integrating the metapixel. Proceed by clicking on Marketing Home. This is essentially the hub where Wix compiles all the marketing integrations and tools you might consider for optimization purposes. Once on the Marketing homepage, look for the search bar, typically located at the top or within easy reach. Type in Marketing Integration in the search bar and hit Enter. This will quickly filter through your options and present you with the necessary tools you're searching for. From the list of options that appear, find and select Marketing Integration. Clicking on it will present various marketing tools you can integrate with your Wix site. Among these tools, search for Metapixel and Cappy. Selecting it will bring up the section dedicated to adding and customizing your metapixel. This is a crucial step as it allows you to streamline tracking and event monitoring directly into your website traffic analytics. When you see the Metapixel and Cappy option, click on it. Once inside, there will be a clearly visible Connect button. Clicking on Connect will initiate the process to add the metapixel to your Wix site. Follow any additional prompts or instructions that appear, as these will ensure the integration is completed successfully. And that wraps up the process. You've successfully added a metapixel to your Wix site, which will significantly augment your ability to analyze and respond to visitor data. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher. Happy tracking!